how are you? I just woke up and I wanted to create a nice yoga space to practice a bit of yoga. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a yoga space very simple, yoga meditation zen space where you can practice yoga or do meditation. It's very simple. You can take it to any room, and I have simplified it as much as possible in a minimalistic manner. Creating that space makes it useful to start practicing, and why should you do yoga is something that you should really consider before watching this video. We always need to know the why, right? Why do yoga? The reasons for doing yoga is endless. It can make you healthy, it will make you glow, it will make you feel so much more flexible. It can create that happy vibes and make you much more joyful and positive once you start practicing yoga. Also, if you have emotional pain inside you, it helps you release that too. So definitely do yoga, and it's very simple. You don't have to do it in any particular time. It can be morning, evening, night, anytime. Just 15-20 minutes. Do it for yourself, and I hope you find it useful. If you do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So step 1, start with decluttering. So I showed you a very simple yoga practice that you can do at home. Why you should do yoga is very simple. First, yoga makes you healthier, stronger and flexible. And not just that, there's a different kind of glow that comes with you. Yoga releases you from emotional pain. When once you start doing yoga, you realize that there are different blockages in our mind and some pain that we have inside. When you do this flow of yoga, it really helps you balance that. Yoga makes you very happy and joyful. You become much more happier. Yoga actually helps you to become much more positive and optimistic about life. So also it helps you to become more disciplined. So the benefits of doing yoga is endless. Hello guys, so in this video I have shared with you everything that you need to create your own personal yoga space right inside your house. You don't need to go to a yoga studio or anywhere else for doing yoga. Just at the place which belongs to you, that you call your home, you can easily convert it to a zen space where you can work during your work from home hours and take those little time out for yourself and honor yourself by doing yoga and meditation. All that you need for this is number 1, a yoga mat like this, big cushions like this that's easily available on nv24magic.com, where we have specifically kept all the products that you would require to create a zen space, a beautiful space, whether it's your rented house or it's your own house. All the things that you need, like cushions, fluffy cushions, big cushions like these. We have a wide range of products and mugs, everything for a magical life, right? So big cushions like this, you can use it for meditation and on this and meditate in the morning. These are vibrant colors. We have a very large set of colors also in these. Smaller cushions for giving back support, like these ones for meditation practices, or it also aids in like sitting for longer hours while you meditate. Different jute bags like those with planters and poofs like this, where you can sit and meditate at times. And also, it's really very crucial to have a good smell around your space, a nice vibe around you. So beautiful candles and lots of candles. You can check out our candle range from nv24magic.com again. And I would love it if you join me and my family on this YouTube channel, and do subscribe to my channel, do support and share. And also you can follow us on Instagram. nv24magic is our link for our shop. Joy is Joy. And welcome joy in your life, welcome happy vibes in your life, and blessed and be grateful. Thank you so much. Love you so much. Mwah.